not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hi guys, so I'm in Publix just to get a few stuff because there's a storm out and them still light might gone. So I need to get some dry stuff because the last thing I know one did for hungry. You know, some is a foodie. I mean, I want to go in the fridge, go take out the meat and take out the raw meat and eat it. Yeah, we can get that. This is, I think these are the original Publix so I always go. 4 for 5. We can get up the original one then. A big case? Yeah, we can do that. Yeah, so I'm gonna say these are the original Publix so I always come. But 2 months ago the other one, I don't remember what stuff they in here. I'm not coming in for like what, 3 months now? You can get the small one later then. I was buying them there in a BJ's or Casco, but get the cylinder on this one. Zero sugar. Can't manage zero sugar right now. I need it, but yeah. So, I need to get veggies for sure. Yeah. Oh, cheese. Cheese. You know, I'm a cheese girl. So. Oh, me nearly crash. Everything Halloween. That is nice. You know, me need feta cheese. I gotta get that. That's my favorite cheese for my salad. Where is it? Alright, them have blue cheese. You know me eat blue cheese but I never buy and goat cheese. Although whenever I always go to a restaurant and get goat cheese or blue cheese, me eat it, but that's not my favorite. But the one where they never buy, so feta cheese. My favorite. I'm gonna get this. Goat cheese or blue cheese? Which one? The blue cheese by vegetable, do you like it?
Yeah.
So I get the blue cheese and not the goat cheese, huh? So the goat one. Did you like the goat one?
Prefer the goat.
You prefer goat cheese? Alright, we get the goat cheese. Oh, it's a special. Oh, okay. Oh, 2 for 6.
Yeah.
Special 2 for 6. I'm gonna grab them. No, 20. Okay, yeah, I can get them. Oh, nice. I love me some special, girl. Oh no, thank you, I appreciate it. Bread, butter. I can't believe it's butter. Small one. No, that's not the original one. Which one then? Olive oil, you know that? Yeah, you can try that one. They have olive oil. Original olive oil, and they have a vegan one. Yeah, that I can't believe it's butter. It's nice on bread. I tried that. We have a lot of juice and then if light gone, they're gonna spoil. So I'm gonna have like cranberry and say in a pantry, so that can work. Yeah. I didn't want to off and off, but I can't buy it because it will spoil if light gone. It's not a sure thing, but we have to be safe because if it gone and we spend the money, I waste the money, makes sense. That color fit me down. Yeah, it's pretty. I got this in Aruba. Love it. But that's a blink my eye. Bad habits, Bad habits. I went back to browser and message me. So why you blink your eyes like that? Bad habits. Candy. Why international stuff expensive in a center? Walmart, them cheaper. I think we have one corned beef already. We can get just how much we $5. Oh, yeah, you know so dear. Can I get the corned beef one? Corned beef. Peppermint tea bag, did I?
What is preference?
I love peppermint tea bag. You know some have cream crackers over there? Full
What
full
other
pack.
crackers?
I'm pretty sure, but put it in there. One cream crackers, but them not sell them. Most of the Caribbean store make it. The peppermint tea bag. I love me some pepper. Watch out. Mountain Peak, they make ginger tea bag. I first see this. I didn't know some Mountain Peak make ginger tea bag. Never know that. I love me some fish and meat sauce, but I don't want none of this because it don't make no sense. I'm gonna get this. This, I don't need it. I have one already, or two. You want cheese and crackers? I'm not a big fan of them, the kind of cheese. So which other cheese? Yeah. I may have only quite a few stuff in. And if they spoil, oh Lord of mercy. Yeah, because I have a few. If you want Rice Krispies, you can get it. Them have Rice Krispies. I'm not a big fan of this. Them have a strawberry original and chocolate. You want it? Not for me. I'm just a simple girl when it comes onto my snack. Simple girl. You want crackers? Yeah, maybe I'll take this. 2 for $6. Oh, they be having sale over here. They be having some sales. Some sale. You want it with Nutella? Let me show you what I eat. Simple girl me.
Yeah,
It's soft. No, this too tough for me. I like the oatmeal. When I was getting a Walmart, it's soft one them I buy previously. But you can get this. Them too tough for me. I like the soft ones. I tried it already, but we have 2 pack of oatmeal cookie at home. The soft one then. Walmart. I never tried a brand new yet. Oatmeal cookie, yeah. This is what I love. I love this. The soft one is really good. I guess basically the same thing, but maybe different company make it. I love this, but too much sweets in my soul. This is really nice. I love this. I love this. Very used to teeth out this regular when I buy them. Who remember this? Comment down below and let me know if you remember this. Yay! What you not taste the same, man? Yeah, you don't really get the same vibe. Comment down below and let me know if them taste the same and get the same vibe like when they're primary. You know, our prep school or wherever you go. Or all age, whichever way you go. You know, I get the same thing. Even this. Even this, cheese and cheese, this is peanut butter. This don't get the same vibes. The one with the cream in it, Nico. And I make like that again. Oh, so you want them when we eat here? Yeah, this is nice. But it's a dark chocolate. Yeah. This is so good. I love it. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I mean, wanna like Nutella? I don't like it. I'm try to like it. I can't like Nutella. People are like, oh, Nutella is the best. I don't know. I can't say the best in that. Oh, see it here. Public sell them too. Oh, this is my favorite. This is mine. Look at this. This, I love this so much. I gotta get one of this. So good. Them have chocolate. I don't like the chocolate. I love the French vanilla. This, so good. Now you get this. Yeah. Guys, cheese is in a spicy. I don't know how I feel about that. I love spicy, but I don't know. Oh, this one is original. Let me say cheddar jack. This is the OG. OG. This one is OG. That's when I read it. I'm good. How are you? Good. Yes. Well, I need me some salad and I need me some strawberry vinegar. You see this? I love this, but it made me too. I can't bring this home. This is super delicious, but this we eat up a whole pack in a one day. I avoid it. It's gonna make me too gain too much weight. I'm gonna put you back. Yeah. Too much things I gain weight already. It's a strawberry raspberry vinegar. It's so good. It's a raspberry. I don't know. This raspberry vinegar here. Another brand I always buy, but Kraft is a good brand. I look for strawberry now. I always use balsamic vinegar, and I always use a bunch of different ones. So I go with this. I look for strawberry. I always use a bunch of different ones. Why can I not find it? I always use this and another Italian one, and I use the avocado one. There's so much. If I name it, I'm going to spend all day name them. I can't find the strawberry one. I see the one here. It says skinny girl, fat free, sugar free, low in calories. When I eat them something, I forgot all that done. I guess I need this. But I not buy this. I need the one I got hard and done, my love. Oh, I like this. Let me show you. Yeah, I buy this. This, yeah. See here? This one with the cilantro avocado, this is good. Yeah, I have this. Almost finished though. I guess they don't have the raspberry one. Then more raspberry, strawberry. So I'm gonna find this 50 less fat and 33 calories. So this is a raspberry and walnut vinaigrette, and this is just raspberry vinaigrette. Same 50 less fat and 30 calories. I was by that brand here, and also this. So I'm gonna try this. Let me try this. Yeah. Who else love peach? I'm gonna get a few peach. Yeah. And bread. I want me some cinnamon bread. Yeah, same thing. I'm gonna get this raisin and cinnamon bread. This is so good. Everything easy, guys. Apple I already sliced up for you, my love. But I don't want those because I'm not gonna eat them so fast. I need salad. This I can't eat in a 1 day or 2 day. I'm gonna buy whole leaf, but this maybe eat. So I'm gonna get this. Yeah, this is so good. Yeah, with some nuts and some raisin. This is really good. So this is it. I'm gonna get this. And I got some tomatoes for my veggies. So yeah. So I'm gonna check out right now. But I get some avocado. But them period are not gonna ripe for now. So let's go. So I'm at Chick-fil-A getting something to eat.
Max?
Max?
Yeah.
Wait, what can I serve you? Did you say Max?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like, who named Max?
Anything else?
Yeah, can I have a spicy deluxe? I
Do
changed
you
my
want the
mind.
deal for that?
No.
Alright,
I
what
would
cheese on
drink
that
crab.
sandwich?
American cheese.
American? Alright, anything else?
And can I have a fries?
Small fry?
Yeah.
Alright.
Do you have a spicy
We
sauce?
have buffalo, we have sriracha,
I'm always going for like Chick-fil-A sauce and Polynesian sauce.
we have zesty buffalo and then we have sriracha. Those are only two really like spicy ones.
Is the sriracha really good? I don't know. Give our
I've
buffalo.
never had it, to be honest.
Give me buffalo. I'm always having buffalo stuff. Yeah. Yeah, I've never tried it. I'm always going for those two.
Yeah, I've only tried our buffalo, our Chick-fil-A, and our ketchup. That's it.
You're a simple girl, eh? Everybody want to wax. Time to wax them, girl. It's blowing. Wow. It's a lot of wind. Man, look on the tree then. So I got my Chick-fil-A. I'm gonna have this now. Look on the sky. Real not gonna normal. Look like a storm they close by. Look on the sky. Yo. Look how wet up. Woo! Rain a fall. So I'm gonna have my meal. I'm just showing you. So fried and tastes good. So I got a small fry. I should take a regular one because at the same price. And I got me some chicken strips. It's really good. One thing I like with Chick-fil-A fried though, they're always fresh and hot and really nice. And get the spicy deluxe. So good. Very nice. The meat always fresh and juicy. Something about the meat not dry out. It's nice. We have some sauce. So these are the buffalo sauce. I never tried that before. I always get Chick-fil-A sauce, Polynesian sauce. So I never take my drink because I'm gonna drink some cranberry juice. Can't bother with no soda and something there. I try hard enough to drink no soda, so tastes good. Chick-fil-A always have a vibe, but I can't eat off one of them burgers. I don't know why. Halfway night, I always full. Okay, so I'm gonna enjoy my meal. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. The likes help a lot, so remember to just click that like at the top. And I will see you in my next video, and I'm gonna enjoy this meal. And thank you so much for watching.